this awesome turmeric facial scrub. It's made by Yllo Beauty. It helps fight acne scars, rosacea, facial hair, and I really like it because it's an all-natural product. It's cruelty-free and vegan. So let's get started. So I have about a tablespoon of the product in my hand. And I'm just going to wet my other hand and then mix it together and just apply it to my face. So I like to scrub it in a little, and then I will let it sit on my face for 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, this is why I like this product so much. My face feels soft, smooth, and clean. I think it's because it has vitamin E oil in it. Yes, it does. So if you want to purchase this product, you would go online to yllobeauty.com and order it there. Thanks for tuning in to Share's Health and Beauty Hacks. Also, catch me on Instagram at shareshares.hacks. That's SHERSHARES.hacks. Toodles.